Trade Prince. So today we have Nifty and Bank Nifty chart opened here. So let us analyze what can happen in upcoming days and how market can react, right? So we clearly know that this is a particular candle which we talked about, the weekly candle, right? So we have decided that anywhere if this weekly candle high or the low is broken, directional move can come, right? So if you see in this particular area, it has given a breakout in weekly candle, right? So in both Bank Nifty and Nifty, we have the same thing. It has given breakout in the weekly candles. Okay, so let us look at Bank Nifty also. So Bank Nifty also has given a breakout. Okay, so now what to do, right? So we know only one thing, that is market cannot go up in a straight line. Okay, it has to retrace, then only we'll get a better trade. Okay, so retracement is not like market will be crashing or something, it's just a pullback. Okay, so now let us understand few things. Okay, if you are like particularly a swing trader, so what should we do? Okay, so let us come to 4 hours time frame. Okay, so if you see in our like hourly time frame, or if you can see in our daily time frame, let's first let us go to daily time frame, right? So in daily time frame, if you see Nifty, right, whatever we have expected, right, market does not recover in a particularly like in a straight line, right? It has to recover in a W pattern. So here if you see market has fall. Okay, this is the particular pattern that market took, right? So now what can happen? So this is the weekly high and the weekly low which we remarked before, right? So here we have got a breakout, right? So we thought of like buying it above 15,000, like anywhere close to 15,000 and give a stop loss at 15,000, right? This particular level. But see, we had a gap up today, so we cannot like take the particular trade because it was a huge gap up, and like our risk will be very high if we particularly keep this area as the stop loss, right? So what should we do next? See, market has given a up move from here, right? So it has to like it can go up to here also, but it has to retrace. Okay, I need a pullback to enter my trade. Okay, so whenever there is a pullback, I can like keep this as the stop loss, this particular area, and take a trade for further, right? So this is the expectation from a swing trade perspective, right? So now we cannot go for a swing trade, it's very clear, because without a pullback we cannot enter. See, here also a gap is there, and this gap also can be filled anytime. So this gap, like it does not like mandatorily it has to fill, but market can retrace to 15,000 level also, right? So because below 15,000 again the market will become weak, because constantly, see one thing, constantly we are expecting one when the trend change, right, when the trend moves to upward, we will be getting higher lows, right? So this is the higher low. See, the low is shifting, right? So here is one low, the second low is here, right? It is continuously shifting. Okay, so the next low can be here also, right, or here also. So we have to find that particular low. Anywhere we get this particular lowest candle, we'll enter on the next green candle, right? So then only we'll get a proper swing trade of 5%, 6%, 7%, right? So this is our analysis, and now let us come to daily, the intraday. What can we do, right? So just wait, let me just change the time frame to 15 minutes. We can easily understand. Okay, so this is Nifty, right? So here today, right, we have seen that this is the 15,000 level. It has given a breakout from here, right? And if you see, the first candle was itself a very bullish candle, right? And after that the market took a retracement and started moving up, right? It went up. So one thing be very clear, okay, whenever like we'll have a gap up from now, okay, it will be very volatile, okay, and two condition can happen, either it will be coming to selling or flat. Okay, so for example here, right, we have this particular range mark. So for example, this particular range, right, this particular range, for example, tomorrow if market opens gap up, right, anywhere around these levels, right, so if the market opens gap up in this level, it will be very volatile and be like it will be flat over here. Okay, so this is the range. So next time tomorrow, like if the market opens in any range between this particular range, right, it will be volatile to upside. Okay, and if it has to come down, then clearly this low need to be taken off, then only this gap will be filled. Okay, this particular gap will be filled. So let us just mark few levels here. So if you go to the trend lines and just draw it. Okay, so this is the level when we can short the market, that is 15,077. Okay, so because we don't go for aggressive shorting or something, we will look at trade for long, because if this particular 15,000 is broken, it will come near about these levels, 15,000 levels. Okay, so we can take a trade over here. Short trade won't come, because 15,000 is another support. We will go for aggressive shorting only when 15,000 is broken, otherwise we cannot go. Okay, so according to our plans, we'll trade, that is when there is a like a retracement. So this particular level is taken off, market has given up a good move, it has to retrace here and then it will go a good move, right? So in this particular area we will try to like enter the trade. Okay, so tomorrow anywhere if there is a gap down, right, so market can be like sideways to downtrend, okay, and it come to this level, it can come to this level. Similarly, if there is a gap up, okay, it can be volatile over these areas, okay, and it can stay, will not get a good trade. Okay, perfect trade we cannot get. If there is a gap up, we'll not get. If there is a huge gap down, then only we can get a selling trade, otherwise we cannot trade, right? So here I would not suggest you to like enter in any position. I would like you to wait for some time, because market will never go up in this way. Okay, it has to retrace here. So when the retracement comes, we'll make a good opportunity, we'll find a green candle and then we'll long it again. Okay, so this is our like plan. Don't go against it and like think that market has like I have missed the opportunity, it will go to 15,600, 700, let it go. Okay, we were very generous to market, let it retrace. Once the retracement is done, we will clearly go for long. Okay, so that's it guys, that's my like weekly and new weekly on Nifty and Bank Nifty, right? So I will share some few charts on my group for the swing trades also, just have a look on it. Okay, so thank you, have a good day.